Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? Okay, what's a good PPC account structure? Okay, there are so many. It really depends on what kind of ads you are running. Are you talking about search ads, video, display, remarketing, shopping? So many, I couldn't answer that just on the basis of what you put in. The thing is, with search campaigns, as I said before, you got to try it yourself. Experiment, try putting some budget. I never call it a waste. You are buying intelligence from Google, because even if you don't get any conversions, you know what is not working. And then you tweak your campaigns, tweak your offer or whatever it may be, or tweak your campaign account structure or campaign structure. Then you carry on running. So you keep on improving as you go along, and you'll find that you will get good results. But if you're talking about search campaigns, try to keep the group of keywords extremely tight, because you don't want too many keywords which are not relevant to each other. So have a themed ad groups, and keep them extremely tightly, and have your keywords on your ads, so it's relevant for that person who search for that. How many types of Google ads are there? I mean, if you're talking about Google ads, as I said earlier on just now, video ads, search ads, Gmail ads, display ads, shopping ads, there are all these kind of ads which are there, and there's probably some more as well. There's so many in there now, they keep on adding. There's huge variety of ads, and what I'm focusing on right now is video ads, display, Gmail, remarketing. I don't do a lot of search for myself because I find that I get a lot better results, and what I want to do is promote my videos on YouTube, and that is my strategy, and not on the search network. So you will not find many of my ads other than the brand campaigns on search.